The Corena plugin will allow us to rename our containers, and it's one way that we can do it, and it's very helpful if we have a lot of containers within our scene tree that we need to rename. So here you can see we have a scene set up. We have a bunch of spheres in here, 25 of them, but we want to rename this to something else. So we can use the Corena to do that. We're going to drag the Corena plugin up onto our topmost group, or the container that has our sub-containers in it. We're going to click on the Corena plugin to go into the properties editor. Now here it's waiting for a name. It has rename by default. We can call it anything we want. Let's just go in here and call it something fairly simple. We'll just call it ball. And then there's a starting index which has 0 by default. So if we wanted to start this at whatever number we want, like for instance 1, if we want every container to contain a number in it, we can do that. Now what we can do is just hit execute, and when we did that, you can see that it changed all of these container names to ball with a number next to it within our scene tree here. So using the Corena is one way to rename containers. Very helpful if you have a lot. If you just have a few, you could just, of course, double click on it, select your name in there, hit enter, or if you want to go down to the next one, you just hit the down arrow key, and then you come in and rename it that way as well.